to show you BMW S55 engine mounted in F87 M2 competition. Let's see it. First, it's a 3-liter inline-six twin-turbo engine, and it makes 410 horsepower and 550 Nm torque. Also, it's a closet design with forged crankshaft, pistons, and connecting rods. Let's see some details. You can see oil filter assembly, dual air coolant, tank, double air filter like that. And this is a top mount intercooler which only use air intake cooling. All the components are assembled under the carbon fiber strap bar. Thank you.